Hi everyone, this is Jerry again from Avalue. So from the last video, we have some case study about machine vision specialized in EtherCAT solution today. And we are going to a little bit deeper into this technology in EtherCAT solution. So it's an honor to have my partner Frank here to help us to learn more about the know-how in this domain solution in EtherCAT. And let's welcome Frank.
Thank you. It's my honor to be here. Hello everyone, I'm Frank, the General Manager of NEXTW Technology Corporation.
Okay, so before we jump into the topic about today, I'm going to use about the agenda today that what we are going to deliver to our customers. So apart from the Industrial 4.0, we are going to introduce what exactly is the EtherCAT solution, that what is the position in the markets that help our customer to combine with our products, not only the IPC itself, but also the EtherCAT master cards itself to combine together as a total solution. So we have some demo kits, real sample that could be for your image to understand what exactly it is working, and also the overall image of our understanding. So let's begin our topic today.
Today I'm glad to introduce the industrial network solution to you. It's an IEEE 823.3 standard, commonly used in the smart factory. This year, we have seen more and more customers seeking automation solutions with standards and open protocols, such as OPC UA or EtherCAT. NEXTW is a professional EtherCAT solution provider, founded in 2018. We focus on providing the easy-to-use EtherCAT master solutions and the customized slaves. Our goal is to help customers define their own automation system in a very short time and use common standard industrial network, such as EtherCAT. Our solutions not only are easy to use, but also have low cycle time. These are just the benefits that our customer has been exciting for their high assistant control systems.
Right. Thank you, Frank, for the brief introduction of your company and what your company can really offer as a product in EtherCAT solution area here. So in general, we are talking about the Industrial 4.0 recently, year by year. So as an Avalue IPC provider that we specialize in the hardware product here, not only the box PC, but also the motherboard and also the HPC, and even some high-end servers that we have been as a highlight product recently and in the future trend. And apart from the hardware base itself, we want to provide the further information such as the software integration into the system. So that's why today we have to talk about not only the Industrial 4.0, but also the EtherCAT solution along with our Reality Sentinel-2 and the Novacon itself as a solution base here. Okay, so what exactly is EtherCAT? EtherCAT is a protocol that was proposed by Beckhoff that has been used in the market for more than decades. So apart from the field bus that like the old protocols such as the CC-Link or like the CAN-bus, that EtherCAT is kind of the new technology that for the Ethernet in automation specifically. So apart from the EtherCAT itself, what is the feature and what is the highlights? So here's have some features that is flexible pathology that is easy for the implementation in the system and also in the area that is applied to automation. And the second one is that for the low cost of ownership, because we know that customer or our business want to have the upgrade to the system, but they don't want to have the overhaul of the infrastructure. So EtherCAT is just right solution for you to choose. And also for the higher performance, we know that in the production line that for the ability for the production is very serious, and we want to make sure that everything is on track, have no little glitch. So EtherCAT could also help with that. And as we're living in an AI OT world, that we want to connect all the devices that from end to end that could be shared all the information, all the data combined together. And apart from this one, we want to upload to the cloud service or even through the 5G service. So this part that we could combine the EtherCAT and the future trend as we're living in an AIoT world that we want to deliver to our customers. So Frank, could you please help us to learn more about what exactly is the technology on EtherCAT?
Okay. Sure. The word of EtherCAT stands for Ethernet for Control Automation Technology. It is a technology based on Ethernet. Compared with general industrial communication solutions, EtherCAT has the unique functional principle called on-the-fly technology. It can reduce the impact of network transmission delays. Instead of sending one frame per slave per cycle, typically, there is only one frame sent by the master through all the slaves per cycle. Each slave extracts command data from the same frame and inserts the state or response data in the same frame as well. In doing so, the slave will exchange data with no delay. You can see that only one data frame drives the data of all slaves. The master only needs a standard network card, no other switch needed. The protocol can be done through the software. Because master can be processed the protocol itself, resource of IPC can be released to do other works, such as processing data or uploading data to the cloud. Therefore, the performance will become better.
Yeah, it sounds really amazing how EtherCAT solution can provide to us, right? So we want to take this advantage and features that combine into our IPC solution base here, especially in SlotPC in Whiskey Lake platform. So here we have some video that we like to share with you guys that how it's installed and how is the feature that to mention.
Wow, it sounds cool, but how does it help our customer?
Yeah, so in the video shows that we have such ability to combine with the EtherCAT solution and the hardware IPC itself. And as far our understanding that the customer requires such needed in the application in the area, they have some features and needed challenge for them to be solved, such as the cycle time synchronized for the EtherCAT itself, what we can really offer. So from the cycle time, we want to make sure that every data in every station, in every device, that could be rapid response time to connect all the information, to let every end device to be on the same page. For the cycle time could be less than 250 microseconds, which is lots for the precise time that is compared with other Ethernet solution-based technology. And apart from the cycle time, we want to make sure that all the synchronization of the device and the information are on the same sync for the information too. So we want to make sure that we can offer the database from the data frame that could be, okay, so combine with all the information and come to our solution base in EtherCAT. And apart from the EtherCAT solution itself, we want to make sure that our IPC solution is also accommodated into this application. So usually in automation, we have a harsh environment and also not easy for the indoor application. So wide voltage and wide temperature could be really serious that we have designing in the preliminary product spec. So we have offered at least 12 to 24 voltage for the wide voltage control in these box PC systems. So apart from the system itself and also the EtherCAT solution, I have mentioned that there's lots of device that could be used and in the market, right, Frank? So what is the main brand that we can help our customer to choose?
We have the most of the brand of our customers, like the Yaskawa, Delta, or Omron, Dima Motor, and so on. I believe we can use the most of the brand that follow the EtherCAT to use in these systems.
Yeah, it sounds so great that we can apply this system to accommodate with so many brands in the markets. So here I have some block diagram, which is called the function diagram here, to exactly show how the IPC that combined with the system and with the slave module, how it control the device and products here. So you can see here as a master control card here, we connected to the slave module also from NEXTW that they provide help us to connect into the end device, such as the digital analog in digital I/O, DIDO, and also for the motor control, that even to control more in robots that in every motion control areas. So here we have make the EtherCAT solution for the demo kit from Avalue our own. We want to make sure that everything is on the track and we can provide the solution that we do know the know-how and how to solve the problem from the customers here. So you can see the real sample of our demo kit here. So apart from the demo kit, we also have some testing tool that was developed by our software development teams. So in the this testing tool, you can see that we have the master class, what is the spec, and also the slave module, all the configuration that was listed on these testing tools. And we want to show and want to verify that the two device of the motor on this demo kit could be synchronized and has the same cycle time, which means that once the motor was moved, at the end they can back to the original phase and original spots, that which means we can control two of the motors precisely and perfectly, and which shows that the path of this test is real that Avalue can provide. So this is the basic demo kit of the Avalue that we made by ourselves. So Frank, I do know that the NEXTW have some real funny and interesting sample kits that you might be interested to share with us, right?
Sure. We got some sample to show here. On the left case, 4 independent motors are used to drive 4 gears. The device shows synchronization. By the distribution clock technology of EtherCAT, synchronization between multiple slaves can be achieved. In the middle case, the XYZ table is composed for 3 motors. We calculate the position of each motor in each cycle time through IPC to achieve the target position on the tool on the D-axis. According to different applications, the tool on the D-axis can be changed to the cutting tool, laser source, or glue head, and so on. The right case is an application of an automatic position line. The device is composed of 8 motors and of different power outputs and sensors. It realizes automation process to improve the performance. you can notice that the wiring using EtherCAT is very simple. As long as there is a general network, it can be compressed in a very short time, which also helps to reduce the maintenance works. I hope through this case, you can better understand the role EtherCAT plays in the smart factory.
Yeah, thank you, Frank. That is really amazing that NEXTW can really provide on the EtherCAT demo kits. We do learn a lot from not only the domain know-how, but also the real from knowledge of this EtherCAT technology that we can share with our customers. So just for the quick recap of an EtherCAT solution can really provide to us. So the first one is really a flexible topology to be codable in these protocol solutions. And the second one is that beyond this technology, it is easy to be implements to every device and every product in the field. And the third, the last but not least, with its high performance, it can help our not only the RPC solution but also the product to be applied into the product solution and other automation here to help to learn and help for the efficiencies. And once again, yeah, thank you, Frank, for joining us today.
I hope you enjoy the time and see you soon.
See you next time.